Okay, first of all, I have to place an image by opening it. Hit open and click the image and open again. And then to duplicate the background layer, you can just drag to that new layer icon and it will be duplicated. Or you can go back to that background layer again, right click and choose duplicate layer. You can rename it if you want to. But for now, I'm just going to hit OK. And another way to duplicate a layer would be by going back to that background layer and just hit Ctrl J to duplicate. Okay, now that we're done with that, this is how we're going to be working with basically auto tune and auto contrast and auto color. So we're going to rename our layers according to those effects. The first one, auto tone, hit enter, and then auto contrast, auto contrast, and then the last one, auto color. Hit enter. Now we're going to start from up down. Go to image, then just hit auto tune. Yeah, that has a bit of an effect there. Makes the image look a bit more, brighter and more enhanced than what we had. Right, so now let's go to the second layer and apply the effect. Auto contrast. Okay, it kind of looks similar to the auto tone. Let's see. There's a slight difference there, but a huge difference from the original image. Okay, now auto color. Image, auto color. I think this has a much more distinctive effect compared to the others we worked with previously. You can see that it makes it much more warmer, more colorful. Okay, so what if we try to apply all these effects onto one layer? Let's see if that's possible. Just rename this layer and call it all. Then let's go to image. This time we'll start from auto color. Yes. And then let's apply the next one. Still the same as the auto color we had. Now let's apply auto contrast to that. Okay, that's done. And then apply auto tone. So you can see the auto tone now is different from what we had initially, since we applied the other effects before we added auto tone to the layer. So you can actually apply all the effects onto one layer and produce a different result entirely, which is quite cool, I guess. Okay, that will be all for this tutorial. See you in the next one.